I'll be taking you through the steps of establishing course equivalencies for your study abroad program. For this process, we'll be using the SPACE agreement. That stands for Study Plan and Course Equivalency. The SPACE agreement is like a contract between you and BSU. It does two things. The first is that it establishes course equivalencies, what those courses will actually transfer back here as. The second is that it formalizes a study plan between you and your academic advisor. You're both on the same page about what courses you're planning to take while away. This is all done before you depart, so that once you're away, you just follow the agreement and complete your courses. Once we get your transcript here, we will automatically apply the BSU equivalents to your transcript according to what is on the SPACE agreement, as long as you earn the equivalent of a C or better in the course. So, how to complete the SPACE agreement? It's 3 steps: selecting host courses, confirming BSU equivalents, and getting a signature from your academic advisor. Step 1, choosing host courses. What will you take while you're abroad? You'll want to start by visiting with your academic advisor and looking at your degree plan on Stellic. This will show you what requirements you still need to complete. A great place to start so you know what courses you're looking for. Now navigate to the course catalog of your study abroad program. You may find it linked on the program page on the BSU Study Abroad portal, or you may want to go directly to the website of the host university or program provider. For providers like Keys or AIFS, they'll have their course choices right on their program website. For exchange programs, you may need to dig a little bit deeper to find their courses. If you're unable to locate a course catalog, please contact your study abroad advisor here at BSU for assistance. Now the fun part. You get to browse the classes you could possibly take while abroad. For example, as a comm student, I need to take intercultural communication. I checked out the description for that class on Ball State's website, then looked for classes with similar learning outcomes and course objectives. Here is intercultural communication at Keys, Berlin, and Barcelona. And that matches pretty well with the BSU course. They look pretty similar. Could be a match. Once you find some courses you think are fundamentally the same, I recommend copying and pasting those descriptions onto a Word document. The more prepared you are when you meet the BSU department to get your courses signed off on, the better. Now it's time for step 2, establishing the BSU equivalents. And this requires authorization course by course. The big question here is, who can authorize the equivalency? It 100% depends on the course. Your study abroad advisor can help you find out who is authorized to establish a course equivalency. So if you get stuck, please reach out to them. But use this as a rule of thumb. For courses in your major or minor, the academic unit, aka the department associated with the major or minor, authorizes. Typically this is a department chair, but it might be the associate or assistant chair or a designated faculty member. For courses in a foreign language, the Department of Modern Languages will assign you a designated faculty member depending on which language you're taking. For UCC core curriculum classes, the Associate Dean of University College provides the equivalency, so please request that your academic advisor connect you with the Associate Dean of University College. And for honors coursework, speak with the Associate Dean of the Honors College. For general electives toward graduation, your academic advisor or your study abroad advisor can authorize that equivalency. The course equivalencies must be established in writing, so whoever had the authority to establish that equivalency should put it in writing, in an email to you, on signed letterhead, on some written communication to your advisor, or they can even assist you with filling out the SPACE agreement. The study abroad office may ask you for the documentation on a particular course, and it's up to you to be able to provide it upon request. Keep in mind, it is always a good idea to get more courses approved than you plan to take, just in case some courses are full or canceled, or what if you change your mind once abroad? What if there's no equivalency, or the equivalency you were hoping for wasn't okayed by the academic unit? Well, you can still take the class. The equivalency there would be INSA 400, International Study Abroad. That course is a general elective for graduation, and any course taken abroad could return as INSA 400 as a default. In fact, any courses on your study abroad transcript that don't appear on your SPACE agreement will automatically come back as INSA 400. Now it's time for step 3, getting your SPACE agreement signed by your academic advisor. Once you have all the equivalents authorized, it's time to submit it to your academic advisor. Talk with them about how your study plan, how many of these courses are you actually planning on taking? Do you need to make any adjustments to your degree plan given this study abroad SPACE agreement? Your academic advisor may help you make adjustments and may ask for the documentation of the BSU equivalents authorized by the academic units. Then they'll offer their signature, affirm the number of courses that appear on the SPACE agreement, and you're done. Time to submit. Ask your advisor to email the signed version to studyabroad@bsu.edu and CC you, and we'll get it added to the study abroad portal for you. That's it. You've got a completed space agreement, done and delivered, and you're one step closer to completing all of your program preparations. If you have any questions or need some help, please contact the Study Abroad office. Good luck!